快利街。好啦，軍事出擊，加州萬里全部馬匹準備妥當，第8場國際級在2000米浪琴標，香港杯準備。好，你一開閘嘅時候咧，咁啊見到喜連巨星慢咗啊！前面快嘅馬有呢隻同個世界啊，埋邊喜多型啦，最出咧橙衫啊將藍啊，中間呢仲有呢隻咧就模範區啦，咁啊第5位咧就係呢隻咧快利街嚟㗎，再後邊有阿基米德內蘭第6㗎，中間天英翱翔軍事出擊咧就綠色衫嘅，出邊有安想出閘慢咗嘅喜連巨星內蘭尾3，中間有威爾頓響尾二，暫時包尾咧就係嗰隻加州萬里嚟㗎。好啦，接近呢個咧就係1200米段處嘅時候啦，前面帶頭嘅馬咧就係呢隻同個世界㗎，跟住第2位咧就係呢隻模範區啦，內蘭第3喜多型啦，出邊橙衫俾人頂住咗，3搭就係將藍啊，中間第5位仲有快利街啊，再數後邊嘅馬有阿基米德、天英翱翔，綠色衫就係軍事出擊尾5中檔嗰隻啊，內蘭呢就係喜連巨星，響外邊有安想啊，後邊2匹馬威爾頓同埋嗰隻加州萬里咧就灰馬嚟㗎。好啦，接近呢個1000米嘅段處啦，前面帶頭仍然係呢隻同個世界啊。咁啊，貼欄佔先咗咧第1個身位度啦，跟住第2位就模範區啊，內蘭第3喜多型，咁啊響外邊呢一路俾人頂住咗喎，3搭係將藍啦，中間第5位快利街，再後邊呢第6位內蘭紅好地色衫嗰隻咧就亞基米德天英翱翔啦，再數後邊馬軍事出擊啦，咁啊響尾5綠色衫嘅，尾4喜連巨星，尾3啊安想，尾2內蘭加州萬里，威爾頓呢睇嚟都一條心響出邊㗎啦。好啦，咁啊轉緊翻差唔多入直路咯喎，前面同個世界依然佔先半個身位啊！模範區第2位內蘭有喜多型啦，中間位置咧仲有呢隻快利街，外邊有將藍啊，一對外邊啊有呢隻咧軍事出擊大外檔嘅威爾頓埋邊等緊位，仲有呢隻加州萬里鬥到嚟最後300米到啦，前面偷出嘅馬呢，有呢隻模範區內蘭同個世界最出2隻啊，軍事出擊大外檔威爾頓浮姐上緊嚟，最後100米埋邊模範區，中間軍事出擊，出邊仲有威爾頓，最後50米威爾頓將軍事出擊咧，好有機會擊過埋佢添喎。第3名就埋邊呢，就係呢隻模範區啊！睇嚟最後嗰步呢，威爾頓係咪個勢上面呢？響外邊衝上嚟有機會過到軍事出擊呢？但係我個角度都有少斜斜地，都唔敢肯定。其實2隻馬都相當接近啊！埋邊模範區呢，就肯定跑過第3馬。嗱，睇埋最後100零米啦，綠色衫軍事出擊，外邊係威爾頓，個勢呢，就威爾頓就勁啲啦。睇下要影相啊！
又好似再一次見到女王杯咁喎，
佢就係個翻版啦，又係啊，
都係俾隻威爾頓壓住啊！
又係一齊有少少外閃咁樣壓佢出去啊！
第3個就係模範區，
跑得非常好
第4嘅就係天英翱翔。
模範區真係跑得非常
都係我哋港隊啊！23Q，得翻45蚊。
見真章啊，威爾頓！
足之都俾阿大魔贏翻一次啦！今季嘅部署就係唔好咁早用佢。
係啊，閘都唔試啊嘛。
睇下高速鏡頭嘅前一步，啱啱個頭壓晒落去咧，一路都食住佢啦，咁就2361啊，暫定嘅名次，一個短馬頭之先，為大魔捧走呢一個。
What a great finish it was to the Cup, and Joe Moreira, he's got a big heart, this horse, hasn't he?
There is not much of him, but there is a big engine, and we don't have to talk much about his heart. It must be as big as him.
You've ridden him his last couple, you've learned a bit. Today we saw you get going a fair way from home.
Well, you know, I just done what I should do on him. That's the way how he likes to be ridden, and I just discomplicated. Done what Tommy Berry has done on him on his wins last season, and he just gave me a great kick today, and he just got there. Actually, I didn't think I won once we crossed the line, but he's just an amazing horse. Once again, he proved himself, and looking forward to his next race because I know he'll be very much competitive.
It's been a great day for you. 2 international Group 1s. Well deserved. Well done.
Thank you very much.
都搞到我脷都兩埋。
睇下，其實真係好短，
好睇，真係好好睇呢條。佢真係終點前嗰2步先至過，就一路壓住你啦。然之後直路頭去到大概100米嗰隻模範區，哇！嗰度走甩，又係有得嗌嘅。
女王杯又係咁樣㗎，軍事出擊先走甩。
係啦，
威爾頓追，
你只要有一隻馬佢前邊，佢就掠你㗎啦。好啦，出翻草地，影頭馬相。
除咗我哋見到大魔啊，咁大魔個仔啊咁開心之外，全個馬房都好開心。 見到個個助手都真係猛咁擊掌啊！
係啊，
真係一個好大嘅榮譽。
好啦，威爾頓進入呢個2014年朗琴標香港杯嘅凱旋門。
香港馬王實至名歸啊！贏過我哋香港打比、女王杯，再加埋呢個香港杯。香港3場最重要嘅大賽都俾佢贏晒
係啊！
都唔急咯，見到今季啊大魔嘅。
以往試過急過，
係
試過唔得啊嘛。
倒不如真係集中火力，一場就一場啊！
你諗下佢真係呢幾年係揸住嗰啲馬爆冷軍事出擊閒話一句，
真係唔係
魔法幻影係咪？直直都係唔得嘅。嚟到香港杯嘅時候，
最辛苦又唔係唔得，佢翻到嚟係硬係陰差陽錯咁樣樣，輸一場啊，輸少少咁。
咁賽馬世界永遠都係第一㗎嘛，係咪要？第二冇用。
係啊，第二唔會有人記得你。
係咯。
雖然我哋都唔錯，我哋數到佢咁多隻跑嚟2啊。好啦，咁啊都要預備頒獎啊，又係都等緊㗎啦。
今日嘅大贏家，大魔同埋莫雷拉。大魔已經3個 win 啦，咁莫雷拉啊贏咗2場最重要嘅賽事。
基本上今日大魔嘅馬係得一場賽事入唔到前4名啦，就係第5場嗰場短途賽咯，短途錦標。
好啦，我哋交落下邊睇下呢個朗琴標香港杯嘅頒獎儀式。
朗琴標香港杯頒獎儀式現在開始。
Ladies and gentlemen, the trophy presentation of the Longines Hong Kong Cup will now commence.
大家好，絕對係一場緊張刺激嘅賽事啊！嚇，朗琴標香港杯已經名花有主啦，就係有嚟自中國香港嘅威爾頓勝出。而家我哋有請香港特別行政區行政會議召集人林煥光議員為我哋頒發獎杯以及駿馬銅像俾勝出頭馬威爾頓嘅馬主鄭強輝先生嘅代表。Congratulations, the Honourable Lam Woon Kwong, convener of the non-official members of the Executive Council of Hong Kong SAR, is presenting the Longines Hong Kong Cup to the winning owner, Mr. Zhang Kengfei's representative of the winning horse designed on Rome. And now, may we invite the Honourable Lam Woon Kwong to please present the bronze horse statuette to the winning owner's representative. Congratulations！ 我哋繼續有請林議員呢，就係將駿馬銅像就係頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師約翰摩亞。Mr. Lam is now presenting the bronze horse statuette to the winning trainer John Moore, and also presents to our winning jockey John Moreira， 以及我哋嘅騎師莫雷拉。唔該晒林生，咁接住落嚟，我哋有請 Longines 總裁霍海樂先生將朗琴標致送俾勝出頭馬嘅馬主、練馬師同埋騎師嘅。We now invite Mr. Walter Von Cano, President of Longines International, to present the Longines watches to the winning owner's representative, and also to our winning trainer, John Moore, congratulations again. And also to our winning jockey, Raul Moreira, congratulations. And also thank you, Mr. Walter Volcano, congratulations. 好啦，喺呢個時候，我哋有請香港童軍樂隊為我哋演奏勝出頭馬所代表嘅國家中國香港嘅國歌，請各位起立。Please stand for the national anthem of the winning country, Hong Kong, China. Congratulations！ 再一次恭喜中國香港嘅威爾頓。咁今日咧4場嘅國際一級賽事啊，我哋港隊囊括3項冠軍，絕對係可喜可賀。好啦，咁我哋浪琴表香港國際賽事嘅閉幕禮咧，就將會喺第10場之後嘅草地跑道嗰度舉行嘅。咁我哋誠意邀請現場所有嘅馬迷同我哋一齊慶祝啊嚇！閉幕禮咧將會有大型嘅煙火匯演，大家千祈唔好錯過啦。This is the end of the trophy presentation and the closing ceremony will be held on turf after race 10 with a fantastic leisure show, so don't miss it。咁喺度預祝各位咧喺餘下嘅賽事旗開得勝 ，Good luck！
好啦，睇下巡邏影片啦。一起步起連巨星挨咗一閘啦，結果就慢咗嘅。加州慢呢亦都係縮咗喺後面啊。前面走我哋見到中間就同個世界，開面就象南啊，慢慢殺緊埋嚟咧，入邊就起多型。見翻中間就係快利街，咁啊然之後中間攝咗上嚟嗰隻咧就係模範區嚟㗎。咁啊第二陣嘅馬我哋見到入邊就係亞基米德啦，咁啊然之後中間嗰隻就係天鷹翱翔啦，再後啲63咧先至係軍事出擊安賞佢隔離嚟嘅。起連巨星慢慢追下去翻個尾3啦，尾2就威爾頓包咗落尾呢，有啲失望喎。加州萬里
跑得好好啦，潘頓啊，咁啊運氣啦，臨尾阿叮當俾嗰隻威爾頓擒咗。
佢引得比之前再即係勁啲。係啊。佢以往就即係中意跟前守好位嘅。將南就真係不幸12檔俾人頂咗去3碟啦，真係攝唔到喎。反而忍耐得比佢即係更大就係潘頓咯，寧願拖後啲都要有遮擋。
係，同埋你起步你起連巨星慢咗，你一冇人去扯散個馬群呢，你抽咗12檔你好難去攞到啲咩好嘅際遇㗎啦。
起連巨星都跑得好㗎，出閘唔爽啦，翻嚟撲都跑第5嘅。
睇下威爾頓啦，而家仲喺包尾嘅位置，莫雷拉開始仆落去啦噃。
贏佢都係咁噶啦，以往貝湯美都講佢要早啲騎，容易會甩口啊嗰種馬嚟。
600就開始騎啦。係啦，佢又真係有嗰段咁嘅能力喎嚇。
衝直場。
係啊，潘頓都等你上嚟同你砌過㗎啦，真係。
咁啊呢一度一下子就模範區啊走甩先啦，真係2000米特街嘅馬啦。咁啊加州萬里又點呢？灰馬喺後邊好似左衝右突都冇咩位可以追咁啊，但係其實本身個勢都唔係強。起連巨星嘅開邊仲犀利過佢。
但就一路都係冇位咯，臨尾都係只係得個近啦。咁啊開邊一對馬，哇！真係互不相讓啊！你見到阿潘頓同埋阿莫雷拉。
分段時間頭兩段都慢啦，26秒22、25秒31，跟住開始快翻啦，24秒44、23秒12，末段22秒87，總時間2分01秒96啊，總時間係標準時間啫。